This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Beniuk. This move-in ready 3-bed 2-bath home with a bright and airy split floor plan. Is ready for a new owner. Brand new carpet in bedrooms and new vinyl plank flooring in living room. Also features LED lights, freshly painted, and kitchen has Samsung appliances. Home has a huge backyard fully fenced and plenty of room for a pool. Palm Coast is a highly desirable location just 30 minutes south of St Augustine, 30 minutes north of Daytona Beach and 20 minutes to beautiful Flagler Beach. If you're looking for a forever home, this is it. Homes like this do not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Beniuk at 386-503-5105.